Have you ever turned on your Sony TV, connected your PlayStation, streaming stick, or cable box, only to see the frustrating message HDMI No Signal? You know the device is powered on. The cable looks fine. Yet your TV acts like nothing is connected. Before you spend money on a new HDMI cable, a repair technician, or even a new TV, stop right there. Because in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact fixes that solve HDMI. No signal issues on Sony TVs in most cases, and fix number 4 is the one almost everyone overlooks. Let's get started.
Test another device. How do you know whether the TV is causing the problem? Or the connected device? Simple. Connect something different. For example, instead of your PlayStation, try laptop Roku Fire TV Stick Blu-ray player cable box. If the second device works perfectly, your TV is probably fine. The original device likely needs troubleshooting. If nothing works on any HDMI port, the issue is likely inside the TV settings or software. Let's fix that next. Change HDMI signal format. Many Sony TVs include different HDMI signal settings. Sometimes these become incompatible with connected devices. Here's how to check. Open Settings, then Channels and Inputs. External inputs, HDMI signal format. Depending on your TV model, you'll see options like Standard Format, Enhanced Format, VRR, Dolby Vision. If your device doesn't support enhanced mode, communication can fail. Try switching to Standard Format. Then reconnect the HDMI cable. Check whether the picture appears. If needed, experiment with another compatible setting.
Update your Sony TV software. Software bugs occasionally interfere with HDMI detection. Sony regularly releases updates to improve compatibility. To check, go to Settings, System, About, System Software Update. If an update is available, install it. The update may include HDMI improvements, stability fixes, device compatibility updates, bug fixes. After installation, restart your TV. Reconnect your HDMI device. Many users report their HDMI ports begin working normally after updating.
Sometimes the TV simply needs a system refresh. On most Sony TVs, hold the power button on the remote for about 5 seconds. Choose Restart. Or unplug the TV for 1 minute. Then reconnect it. This clears temporary glitches without deleting your settings. Simple, safe, effective. If nothing else has worked, a factory reset may restore normal HDMI functionality. Keep in mind, this erases apps, Wi-Fi settings, accounts, preferences. Navigate to Settings, System Reset, Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once setup is complete, reconnect your HDMI device before reinstalling apps. If HDMI now works, a software configuration was causing the issue. If you've tested multiple cables, tested multiple devices, tried every HDMI port, updated software, factory reset the TV, and every HDMI input still shows no signal, there may be physical damage. Possible causes include damaged HDMI controller, loose motherboard connection, power surge damage, faulty HDMI ports. At this stage, professional repair is usually the best option. Fortunately, this situation is much less common than most people think.
Now I'm curious, which fix worked for your Sony TV, or are you still seeing the HDMI No Signal message after trying everything? Let me know in the comments, because your experience might help someone else solve the same problem.